chilly day today. We got a decent amount of snow, so I'm just going to be spending the majority of the day shoveling. And so I've got this big baggy sweater from Arm & Style, my Alexo leggings, and then just some warm boots. And the background does look a little different. I'm actually at my parents' house today, house sitting and dog sitting. And since I'm over at the family's house today, I've decided to mix up my carry option, and I've got a Glock 19. I've also still got my phone, pocket knife, light and keys all over here. But yeah, with this baggy sweater, it is completely concealed. You can't see a thing. And it's also nice and cozy, so perfect for having to shovel snow. So my next outfit is pretty simple. I've just got a black tank top and my black Alexo leggings. Actually, the tank top is also from Alexo. And then just this blue leather jacket. And then just some tall boots. And I've got my shield back here. And that's the look for the day. Pretty simple. Hey everyone, another day, another gun. I'm heading off to a hockey game, and as you can see, since I'm still house sitting for family, I did decide to mix up the gun I am carrying. This is a Ruger revolver, which I am not used to carrying. I have shot it quite a few times, but I've never carried it before, so that'll definitely be interesting. And I do have a couple cards and IDs sitting in front of that to act as a trigger guard. And that is in my Alexo pants, and it fits perfectly. Hey guys, I have another outfit for the day. Definitely feeling the OD green mood. So I've got this vest, a fairly warm long sleeve shirt, and then my Undertech undercover zipper leggings. I do have my shield in these leggings. And I've got that right up here. Now these leggings are a little bit different from the Alexo leggings. The pockets that they have are a little bit different, and each of the gun pockets is all on its own. It doesn't have another pocket in front of it. The material that is in front of it is quite a bit thicker. But they do have pockets in the front and in the back, and these are specifically right-handed holster pants. And then you also have a small pocket up here for a spare mag, and in my case the Olight. Hey guys, happy St. Patty's Day. Just got back from church, so I switched into something a little bit more comfortable. Have got my Dublin, Ireland sweatshirt on and my Alexo leggings, and I'm just spending the rest of the day at home with family. So I do have my shield up there. And yeah, nice, simple, and comfy for the day. Oh, hi, baby. Hi. Say hi to the camera. Cam, come here. Come here. Cam, come here. Here's my baby boy. Hi, honey. Hi.